Okay. Second question, definitely not an easy one. The question is about the figure P, Q, R, S, T, M. And the info we get is that QR is 12, so this part is 12. And MPQT is a square. It's a square, so all the lines have the same length. And this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Okay, so I don't know, in total it is MPRS, so the whole total is 540. Okay, so if I know this is 12, let's fill in what I know. This is 12. That's all I know, I guess. This is a square. It's all the same, but I don't know anything. Yeah, okay. What is the area of TQRS? So the area of this specific thing we need to know. Okay, we could solve it with algebra, or we could even solve it backwards. But let's start with algebra. We know this is a square, so all these lines are the same, like let's call them x. So we know in total it will be 540, the area, and the area is of course the length times the width. So that is 540 is x, this one, x times 12 plus x. So 540 is 12x plus x squared. Okay, let's reformulate that. So we get x squared plus 12x minus 540 is 0. And now I have a quadratic equation. So if I want to, I can solve it. So we have to factorize back to week 6 and multiple each other is 5 minus 540, and if we add it, it's plus 12. So not many solutions, but we can come up with x plus 30 and x minus 18. 13 minus 18 is plus 12, and 30 times minus 18 is minus 540. So that's working. If you have trouble with the big number here, just scratch the 0 in your head and then 3 times 18, and then you come up with 45. So x is minus 30 or x is 18. Okay, and if we have 18, of course minus is not possible here as a value, so we need to use 18, and then it's an easy game. If we know x is 18, like x is 18, we can easily calculate the area here, which is 12 times 18, which is 240 minus 24. 240 is 20 times 12 minus 24, which is 216. This is just a little step in my head. 216. So answer B. If you have trouble with this, is it possible to do it with working backwards? Then we start with C. Could the area be 324? We know this one is 12. So then we had to calculate, okay, what is x? So x is 324 divided with 12 is 27. Yes, 27. Okay, so if this was 27, so 27 times 12 is 324. And then in total, then because this one is then also 27, then the total area must be 540. So that means 39, 27 plus 12 times 27 must be 540, which is of course never the case, way too big. So you know 324 is way too big, so we can cancel that one out. So we're gonna go to A or to B. Now, we only have to check one, because if that one is working, it's the correct one. If it's not working, it must be the other. So let's try B. We have 216. We know this one is 12, so x must be 216 divided by 12, which is 18. Okay, so now we know this one is 18. Let's see if that is matching with the 540 total. 12 plus 18, x is, let's use another color, x is 18. So that means 30 times 18 must be 540. Is that the case? 30 times 18, yes, that is the case. So answer B with working backwards is also possible. So 2 ways to solve this question. Not an easy question.